Hi everyone, I'm here with another video on makeup. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on future videos. So here is my model, and for this makeup I have chosen saree as a costume, and with the hair it's a curl and free hair. Now let's get started with the makeup. The first and foremost thing is to apply the moisturizer. After that, applying the primer. This will help in blending the foundation very well. Now I have taken a closest shade for my model and applying the foundation with the foundation brush. This is slightly on a rounded and a fluffier side, and also I can use it as to blend the foundation. Now I am doing a face and a basic foundation on her face at first, and then we would go ahead with the eye makeup. Now it is very important that you blend the foundation to every corner of your skin, and there shouldn't be any unevenness and there shouldn't be any cracks in the foundation. Now if you feel the face is a little dry and you need extra hydration, you can spray an empty brush that is also a foundation brush, and then blend it throughout the face. It can be in a circular motion or a dab and remove motion. Now I am actually doing the under eye makeup as well. Now my model here doesn't have any discoloration here, neither any pigmentation, so high coverage foundation would be enough. Do not need any concealer. Now under eye, again I'm using a foundation, not a concealer here. And once the foundation is blended properly, it's important that you seal the foundation with compact. So I'm using a Maybelline compact here, and the foundation which I was used was Flormor. That's the brand from Turkey, and it's amazing brand to use for any casual event or any home function. You can use Flormor. It blends really well and it looks exactly like your skin. Now once the compact is set, we will go ahead with the eye makeup. Now here for the eye makeup, I'm choosing the shade that matches her saree, but I'm giving a purple shade, a single color on her eyes, and also I'm going to do little glitter in the center of the eyelid. To start the eye makeup, the first thing is to go ahead with the crease line and the outer V. Now for the crease line, I have taken a plum shade with a mix of little brown shade, and here I am using two palettes, one from Krylon and the other one from Revolution London. In this I have taken a brown and a plum shade to the outer corner of the eyes and the crease line. And for the inner corner, I am using a shade purple, and this has little shimmery texture. It's got little sheen as well. It's always good to apply the eye makeup or eyeshadow directly from your fingers, so that the pigment would look very stronger with the application by fingers. And to blend, you can use any kind of a eye makeup brush. Now once the eye makeup is done, I wanted to highlight the crease line much more, so I am here taking a brown and a grey mixed together with a smaller eye makeup or a smaller crease brush. I am just drawing a crease again. Now this is an angle brush mainly used for eyebrow. So for the eyebrow, I always choose a powder form, and same Maybelline palette I'm actually highlighting her eyebrow as well. And to start with, always do a lighter shade first, and then if you need, you can enhance it more. Now for the kohl, I'm using a Makeup Forever gel liner. This has very strong black shade and the pigment is really well, and it doesn't smudge as well. So you can use it as a liner, you can use it for your waterline, tight line, and also to create a smoky eye. Now I am taking a thin liner brush and giving a slight liner closest to her lashes. It's important that you lift the eyebrows when you do the liner, so that you can avoid any fine lines near the eyes. After applying the liner, you would go ahead and add little shimmer to the center of the eyelid. The shimmer always has to be applied at the center, not in any of the corners. Once the shimmer is applied, here I'm actually adding a glue, a shimmer glue, and then adding a powder formed shimmer here. Now once that is done, this would actually look like a spotlight kind of a eye. And once this is done, I'm here going with a slight highlighter. I'm using here Sugar, that's the brand. I'm adding the highlighter to her cheeks, to the center of the nose, the bridge of the nose, the chin, and below her eyebrow. Once the highlighter is done, here I'm actually adding a compact. After the blush I have used Morphe here, and for the contour, again I'm using a powder contour, because I believe that when you apply in powder form, you have a lot of control if you need to change or reduce or increase. Now for the contour is to make the face look very chiseled and very sharp. For that I'm using for the contour on her jawline, on her cheeks, and the sides of the nose, and slightly on her forehead. Now here I'm actually adding a purple eyeshadow to her lower lash line, and also I'm just adding a slight black eyeshadow to the corner of her lower lash line. So this would help to make her eyes look bigger from a distance as well. Now to end the eye makeup, here I'm actually adding a little mascara. It is important to add the mascara, but I'm not adding false lashes here, because as it is a general event, if you require lashes, you can definitely go ahead and add the lashes too. Once the eye makeup is done, here we go ahead and fill her lips. For the lip makeup, I'm actually using a brand from Nykaa, but I'm gonna give a slight red and a pink tone. I'm just gonna mix both the tones here. I've added a lip pencil. I've actually drawn the complete border from a lip pencil, and I've colored the entire lips as well, so that it doesn't smudge and it lasts for longer. And then adding a pink shade of lipstick. This is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup with a purple eyeshadow. Now I have made much more videos on makeup and beauty hacks. Please do check out my channel and do subscribe for furthermore information regarding beauty and anything that is related to brides. And do share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching.